California is continuing its quest for Crazy Town capital because communism is awesome. Tupac said it best. California knows how to party. And by party, we mean celebrate a communist holiday while canceling the celebration of an American holiday. California Assemblyman Miguel Santiago wants to show California love to International Workers' Day, better known as May Day.
May Day! May Day!
May Day!
May Day? What the hell is that?
May Day? Why, that's the Russian New Year. You know, we'll have a big parade and we'll serve hot hors d'oeuvres.
May Day was once celebrated by Roman Catholics to honor the Blessed Virgin Mary, and then the pagans changed the holiday. In the 19th century, May Day became International Workers' Day. Since the meeting of the Second International, which is an organization that developed Marxist thought and was comprised of socialist and labor parties, May Day is now one of the most important holidays for China, North Korea, Cuba, and the old Soviet Union countries. This is the part where you yell May Day in a plea for assistance and escape, not celebration. But this is not so for Santiago, whose bill passed through the Education and Appropriations Committees. Yes, the Education Committee, which has the representatives with insurmountable influence over our children's education, gave the bill the green light, or in this instance, the communist red light. Fortunately, not everyone in the Assembly rode on the crazy train, as the bill was defeated last week at its third reading in a vote of 27 to 22. But the story does not end there. The bill lost by just 5 votes, and 21 representatives joined Santiago, favoring the mandatory celebration of May Day. If the bill passed, it would mean the elimination of Lincoln Day and Washington Day, days observed by schools in honor of 2 of our greatest presidents. Schools instead would be required to lump those days into President's Day to make room for school children to, quote, commemorate the history of the United States labor movement, end quote. Yeah, so we already have a day for this. It's called Labor Day, and we celebrate it every first Monday in September. California law already authorizes schools to celebrate specific activism, with labor included. Public schools can close on Cesar Chavez Day, and then in class celebrate Chavez, who is an American civil rights activist and labor leader. California students learn about John Muir for their environmental activism, and Harvey Milk for gay rights activism. And to top it off, May is officially Labor History Month in California. Meanwhile, on the other side of the aisle, the place I'm calling sanity, was Assemblyman Matthew Harper. Harper said, "I'm aghast that a bill like this would be able to get through committee. Are we going that far to the left?" Yes, Matt. Yes, you are. And though the bill was defeated, the fight is not over because Santiago is already trying to have the legislation reconsidered. California may be the capital of Crazy Town, USA, but it also continues to be the precipice for the rest of the nation. If we continue to overlook it, we will all be celebrating International Workers' Day, and our children will be saying, "Washington who?" And that will be a true May Day. Until next time, stay sane and stay healthy, America.